Good morning, students. Today we can do some problems related to basic mathematics. So see, the first problem is find the altitude of an equilateral triangle of side 8 meters. So we have to find altitude. Altitude means we know it's a height from the ground or from the base of the triangle. So altitude means height of the triangle from the base. So for this purpose, what I am doing, you see, students. So I am going for its solution. So this is the question. Find altitude of an equilateral triangle of side 8 meters. This is the question given. Okay, now I am going for its solution. So take triangle ABC. Consider triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So triangle. So consider triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So I am drawing that equilateral triangle ABC here, students. So and I am giving the name for this A, B and C. This ABC is an equilateral triangle. We know that equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. So equilateral triangle means we know all sides are equal. So if AB length side is A units, then BC length side also A units we will get. This is also A units and this length also A units. So all sides are equal. So equilateral triangle means all sides are equal, we know, students. So AB length, BC length and CA length all are having equal lengths and all have equal angles. All angles, okay, is equal to 60 degrees, we know that. So all the angles are 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees, this is 60 degrees and this is also 60 degrees, you know. Okay, students. So equilateral triangle means what is the hint we know, students? All sides and all angles. All sides and all angles are, what do you know, you students? Equal. So that is called equi means same. So equilateral triangle, all angles, tri means 3, angles means 3 angles equal, and equilateral means sides, all sides are equal. Means AB side, BC side and AC side, they have equal sides. If this AB is A units, BC also A units and AC also A units, we know. So fine. Now the height, for this height we are dropping a perpendicular. We are dropping a perpendicular to BC. This will become 90 degrees. So okay, here AD is called. So here this AD. See, my dear students, this AD is called angle bisector. It is called angle bisector. So angle bisector means AD is a line. This is a line. This is a line. It's a line. Divides the angle. Bisector means divides the angle. Divides the angle into two equal parts. So divides the angle into two equal parts, means now, okay students, then this will become 30 degrees, okay, and this is 60 degrees. See students, draw an angle bisector. So AD is called angle bisector. I am calling here. AD is an angle bisector, means it is a line which divides the angle into two equal parts. So two equal angles or two equal parts. So means this complete angle is 60 degrees, we know. This complete angle we know 60 degrees. If this is 30 degrees, this will be also 30 degrees. This is 30, this is also 30. And now let us, this point is D. From A, we have dropped angle bisector. We have dropped angle bisector, means it divides the angle into two equal parts. So now AD is the angle bisector line. Okay, this is 30 degrees, this is 60 degrees. So the rest of the angle will become 90. Okay, because 30 plus 60, 90, this angle will be 90. Now this is the height. This is 90 degrees, and here AD is the height of the triangle. AD is height. So height of triangle ABC. So now AD is the height of the triangle ABC. Let it be H. Okay, now I want this height of the triangle, students. Now I want the height of the triangle. Okay, students, see, this is a triangle ADB now. So now what do you know, students? Now triangle ADB. Now triangle ADB is right angle at D. So is a right angle triangle. Is a right angled triangle. Is a right angled triangle. Okay, students. So ADB is a right angled triangle. Now I am writing. So this is one side. By Pythagoras theorem, so by Pythagoras theorem, so hypotenuse, longest side, so hypotenuse square means AB square. So by Pythagoras theorem, what will you write, students? AB square. This AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square is equal to AD square plus, what is that, students? BD square. Okay, we know AB length is A units. Okay, and so this is the angle bisector, this length will become a by 2. From here to here, this length is a by 2. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square means you write it a square. So AD square, AD means height. AD means height, we know, height of the equilateral triangle. So h square plus BD square. BD means a by 2 whole square. So BD means a by 2 whole square. Then a square is equal to h square plus, what will you get, students? A square by 4. Then so make h square subject, then h square is equal to a square minus a square by 4. That is, so take LCM, you will get 4a square minus a square by 4. So then this is 3a square by 4 is equal to h square, we got it. So then we are getting like this, see students, then h square is equal to, so how much we got it? 3a square by 4 we got it. Then h is equal to, so 3a square by 4 whole root. Then root 3 into, so then root 3 into root a square by, what will you write, my dear students? Root 4. So write it root 4. Then height of the triangle, so root 3 into square and root gets cancelled, a by root 4 means root 4 is 2. Then height of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 into a. So here a is side of the triangle. So here a is side of the triangle. Here a is side of the triangle. So one side of the equilateral triangle. It is here a is one side of the equilateral triangle. So this is our formula. It is very important, students, for all problems and everywhere. So please remember, height of an equilateral triangle, h is equal to root 3 by 2 into any one side length. So that is root 3 by 2 into a. So this is the formula, my dear students. Now I'll go for solution. So see students, so we have derived the height of an equilateral triangle. So height of an equilateral triangle is height of an equilateral triangle is, so that is height of an equilateral triangle, that is if you call it as h, so that h value, so we have derived just now root 3 by 2 into a, any one side of the triangle. That is our formula, we got it, students. Triangle of side. So here a is given. So since a is 8 meters, so what is given, students? Since a is 8 meters, so they have given this value. Then height of the triangle we will get. So then height of the triangle will get root 3 by 2 into A is 8 meters. Cut with 2 fours are, then height of the triangle is 4 root 3 meters. So height of an equilateral triangle, we got h is equal to 4 root 3 meters. Similarly, if I change the question, find the altitude. Find the altitude of an equilateral triangle of sides. First problem I gave 6 meters, and in the second problem, so I gave 80 centimeters. So then we can go for its solutions. So now do it, students. So find the height of an equilateral triangle of sides. First one is 6 meters. So I have given two sides for you. So one is 6 meters, another one is 80 centimeters. I'll do for first one. We know that height of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 2 into A. In the first problem given that A is 6 meters. Substitute A value here, then h is equal to root 3 by 2 into A. So that is in meters. So cut with 3. 2 3s are 6. So then height of an equilateral triangle will get 3 root 3 meters is the height of an equilateral triangle. Similarly, equilateral here is given 80 centimeters. So given that A is 80 centimeters. Given that A is 80 centimeters, so we know that 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 of the meter. So we know that 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 of the meter. So I am converting that 80 centimeters. A is equal to 80 centimeters. So 80 into 1 centimeter I have written. So then 80 into 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 of the meter. So instead of 1 cm, we can write 1 by 100 of the meter. So then 0 gets cancelled. So you will get this value 8 by 10. 8 by 10. What is left here? Meters is left here. So now cut with 2 4s, 2 5s are. So what will get? 4 by 5 meters is equal to side of the triangle. Then height formula. Then h is equal to root 3 by 2 into A. A value how much, my dear students? 4 by 5 of the meter. Okay, then do calculation. So 2 2s are. So you will get 2 by 5 into root 3 meters. So whenever side is given in centimeters, if options are in meters, you should convert centimeters into meters. This conversion is very important. See students, don't get confused that whenever the side is in centimeters, convert the given centimeters into meters immediately, because options will be in meters. Because lengths are measured, SI units of length is meter, so the units will be in meters only. So convert the given centimeters into meters. Okay students, see, calculate other two sides of a right angle triangle having angles 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. If the hypotenuse of the triangle is 80 meters, hypotenuse they have given for us. Hypotenuse of the triangle 8 meters they have given. So now this is the problem. So I'm going for its solution. So we have to take 30, 60, 90 degrees right angle triangle. One angle is 90 degrees. So I am considering the triangle according to the data. Okay students. So I am taking this 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. And see, this is my triangle. So its name is ABC is a triangle, and here one angle is 90 degrees, and this is the 30 degrees angle, and this is the 60 degrees angle. Okay students. Okay, now you see students. So 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees triangle we have. Okay, and the hypotenuse of the triangle they gave 8 meters. Means 90 degrees opposite side. This is called AC. This length they gave for us 8 meters. So then other two sides we have to find it. Okay students. Now if you consider one more 30 degrees line here, and you extend this. So extend this. This is also 30 degrees. Okay, and this is 90 we know, then this will be 90 degrees, 30 degrees, then this will be 60 degrees. Is it okay students? Okay fine, see students, this is 60 degrees, this is 60 degrees, and this is 30 plus 30, totally 60 degrees. So totally 60 degrees. Now, if this side is A, means I have an equilateral triangle here. You see, students, A, D, C is an equilateral triangle. Okay, and if this side is A units, this is also A units, and this is 90 degrees. So this length will become A by 2. You know. So this length is A by 2. And the rest of this length also A by 2. So A by 2 plus A by 2, totally this is A. So this total base length is A. Okay students. So this is 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees, equilateral triangle. So this total A units, this is also A units, this is also A units. But we have to find other two sides of 30, 60, 90. So now this is 90 degrees, so this will become height of an equilateral triangle. So the side opposite to 60 degrees. So now our concentration should be on 30, 60, 90 triangle. Means if this length is A units, if this length is A units, this will become A by 2 units, and this is the height of the equilateral triangle. This already we had derived, the height of an equilateral triangle we have derived root 3 by 2 into A. So then I'll go for solution. So I'll rub this. So our concentration is only on 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. So this is the 30 degrees triangle, 60 degrees triangle, 90 degrees triangle. Now this is the height of the triangle. Height of the triangle is equal to root 3 by 2 into A. Okay students. This is the height. It will become from the equilateral triangle. So this will become root 3 by 2 into A. So this is called height of an equilateral triangle. Okay students. Now the side opposite to 30 degrees is called BC. The side opposite to 30 degrees opposite side length is BC. And this BC length is how much students? A by 2. BC length is A by 2. And the side opposite to 60 degrees is H. That H value is equal to, so this is called, the side opposite to 60 degrees is called root 3 by 2 into A. This is called AB. AB, its length is root 3 by 2 into A. So BC is to AB is to, and 90 degrees opposite side is AC. So I am writing here AC, its length is 8 meters. So its length is, so that is, if you take that A as, this is A, so I am taking A. Now A gets cancelled. So what is left students? 1 by 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So multiply with 2, the common ratio, multiply with 2. Multiply with 2 on either side. Then the ratio will become, if you multiply with 2 into 1 by 2, and here 2 into 1 by 2, and root 3 by 2 into 2, and 2 into 1. Then this 2 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. You will get 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Means 30, 60, 90 degrees sides ratio we have whenever we have 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. Its ratio we will have 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Okay students, so the ratio we have got it very clearly. So now we will see students, see 90 degrees opposite side is hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse of the triangle they gave 8 meters. So 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. If 30 degrees length is x, then its length will become root 3 into x, and 90 degrees length is 2x. Okay, and that is, he has given 8 meters for us. That is, has given 8 meters for us. So given given 2x is equal to, they have given 2x is equal to 8 meters, then x is equal to 8 by 2 meters, we will get 4 meters. So other two sides means, so other two sides I am writing, so other two sides are, what are those? X comma root 3 into x. So x value we got 4, and another one is 4 root 3. So 4 comma 4 root 3 meters is the given answer. Okay students. Now similarly you see, calculate other two sides of a right angle triangle having angles 30, 60, 90 degrees. So find other two sides of a right angle triangle having 30, 60, 90 if the hypotenuse of the triangle is 2 meters. So that is one problem. If the hypotenuse of the triangle is, take it as 2 meters. So then we are going for solution. So this is the triangle. So I am taking 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. Okay students, so this is 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay, already we know its ratio 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle ratio we know. That is what students? 1:√3:2. So this is the ratio for 30, 60, 90 degrees. Means the side opposite to 30 degrees is 1 unit. Means if it is 1 into x units, then its ratio will be √3 into x units. Then its part of the ratio will be 2x. Okay students, so 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle sides ratio will be 1:√3:2. Means if this is x, √3 into x, 2x. Okay, 30 degrees opposite side. Means this is, if its length is x, 60 degrees opposite side, its length will be √3 into x. Then 90 degrees opposite side, this length will be 2x. So its length will be 2 times of x. If its length is x units, this will be √3 into x, this will be √2 into x. √3 means we know the value, 1.732 into x. See, its length is x units, its length is √3 into x units, means 1.732 x units, and its length is 2 into x units. So we are writing here 2 into x. Out of all these three sides, 2x is the longest side. This is the longest side which is opposite to 90 degrees. So longest side. So this is the longest side we know. So 2x. If this is x units, 30 degrees opposite side is x. 60 degrees opposite side √3 into x. √3 value 1.732 into x, and AC length is equal to 2x. So now see students, 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. Hypotenuse of the triangle is given 2 meters for us. Hypotenuse of the triangle is 2 meters. So means hypotenuse length means 2x. So I'll go for solution directly. So given 2x, hypotenuse length is equal to 2 into x units. So that length is 2 meters. So that length they have given 2 meters. So meter is a unit, leave it. So 2x is equal to 2 meters. 2 gets cancelled. Then x is equal to 1 meter. So other two sides. Then we are finding other two sides. Then other two sides are, so the longest side they gave 2x length they have given 2 meters. Other two sides they are asking, one is x, another one is, so other two sides are x comma √3 into x. and this x value we got 1 meter, so 1 meter, and the other one is root 3 into 1 meter. So this is the solution. Okay students, like if I give so 5 meters, if I give 5 meters, now do for it solution children. So now other side I gave 5 meters. So again we can go for its solution. So now take 30, 60, 90 degrees hypotenuse of the triangle. The longest side hypotenuse of the triangle is 5 meters. So we know 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle ratio we know. So 1 is to, so what is that? Root 3 is to 2. And 2 is the longest side, which is called hypotenuse of the triangle. So that is 2x they have given. 2x value they gave 5 meters. Then x value we will get 5 by 2 meters. So x value 5 by 2 means it is 2.5 meters. Now other two sides, of the triangle, other two sides of the triangle. Or the question mark is other two sides of the triangle. So which are x and root 3x. Or x comma root 3 into x. So this x value 2.5, x already we have got it 2.5 meters, 2.5, and root 3 into x. This x value again we know 2.5 into root 3 meters. This is the solution. So you see which side they have given for you and make it that is equal to the given side length. So here BC length is x units. If this is x units, this will become root 3 into x and this will become 2 into x. So if this x you cut it, the ratio you will get, x means it is 1 into x. So 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Longest side they are giving for you. Longest side means 2x. 2x is 5 meters. Then x value you are getting 2.5. So one side you got it. Then this will become root 3 into x. So that is root 3 into 2.5 into root 3. Okay students.